Hi, Mellissa. How are you?
Hi, Greg. I'm doing just fine. Thank you.
So, your talk in Delhi is titled Hair Aging and Graying. Is there a difference?
I think there is. When I think about hair aging, I think about, as a biologist, everything that you see under the microscope, at the molecular level and the cellular level. But when I think about graying, I think about that being the output of all that's happening underneath the skin. One reason we really like graying is because it's essentially a readout for us of what's going wrong. And if we see that change, we think we have a good indication of how we can fix it. So that's how I see a little bit of the difference between aging, when we talk about hair aging, the processes, and hair graying, what we see as
Yeah.
those processes occur.
So, I guess too, you get young people with gray hair and old people with pigmented hair. So, do you think one day we're going to be able to prevent graying?
Yes, absolutely. And if you look in the literature, there's lots of examples already for hair repigmentation. Most of this comes from the clinic where so and so is getting some sort of treatment for something totally unrelated. And in my lab, we've been actually trying to mine some of that data because it's already telling us something about how we can do it. So we just need to get into the weeds a little bit further and get some more of the details to figure out how practical it might be, how you would do a treatment, make sure we don't have terrible side effects and things of that nature. And then also, hopefully, we can use that not just for our hair, but our other tissues that we care about.
Yeah, and for a group of hair transplant surgeons, I mean, we already operate on gray hair. It's not a huge problem for us. So, what would be the relevance, do you think, of being able to treat or prevent hair graying?
It's so interesting when I talk to people about hair graying. They sometimes tell me, wouldn't it just be better if I could have my hair back?
Yeah.
you know, Graying is, I think, maybe a little bit secondary to having hair. And so I would say for people who are doing these procedures, wouldn't it be nice if we could combine the two things into one so you can get the hair back and you can get the youthful color that you had once before?
Yeah. Oh, I couldn't agree more. So, all right. Well, I'm really looking forward to seeing your talk. I will see you in Delhi.
That sounds great. It was good to see you, Greg.